What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Lil JoshieA channel. Today I am gonna do an unboxing video for you guys using my iPad. Actually, yep, not my phone, but my iPad. Well, if we take a look over here, I got a lot of new stuff. A lot of new stuff. Like, look at this. A lot, and not that, but like this stuff. And let's take a look at some of the stuff here. We've got, let's go, new shoes, new slides. Wait, where are my new slides? Oh, right here, right? And things like that. Oh, and we also got new Apple merch. Yeah, we got this. Dude, I look crazy today. This evening, tonight, like this evening, like tonight, like I look crazy with what I wear. Like I'm like, let's see. This is just nuts. Right now, this is what's happening. All right, so I'm in the process of tearing the plastic out here. See, when I got my Beats Studio 3s in the summer, which, well, that's the carrying case for it. It's kind of, camera's kind of grainy, so not really. So I took my phone out. It's charging. Now it's at 9%. Probably hit charge. Continue charging it for now until the iPad is ready to charge from you. Because the iPad is currently, well, this device is currently at around 4%, as I just saw. Okay, so I pulled out the plastic wrap from the Beats pack, from the Beats box. Now just gotta take the slip cover out and slip the slip cover off. This is the first pair of Beats I got from the Apple Store too. Alright, so put this aside. These, oh, feel it a little. Nice artwork, nice case, nice color for choosing my choice. Dark blue, dark light, matte blue or whatever, matte blue, more matte blue. And here it is, guys. It's all in here. Oh, this one. Oh, here, check it out. Let's go to the light. So, light's not really as good, but as you can see here, I can turn the brightness up. There we go. The Beats logo is shining pretty well. Just as well as slides are. But yeah, I just wanted to test it. Okay. That's good. So let's open this up. Halfway we I don't want to break anything. Can I do it from here, or is it? Oh, I see. Set actually. Let me just put it here. Show you guys from here, from this angle, so I can set the thing down and show you. So, oh, here it is. Okay. Yo, check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Yo. This case. Okay, let's get the Studio 3 case to do a comparison. Of course, the Studio 3s are bigger, but my Studio 3 case is all dusty, but look at this. Compared, here, let me stand over here. If you compare both of them together, guys, it's pretty obvious. This one has like a red beats logo. This one has a black beats logo, but look, this one pops out, and you could feel it. Like, can you hear that? Like, that is awesome. Like, this Beats logo, the black one, it pops out. This one, just flat. So, let's get the Studio 3s. Here they are. Kind of got scuffed up because they fell on the ground I was walking. Okay, this is Studio 3's, and now, here we go, guys. Nice case, man. It's in here. Ooh, it's all wrapped like this. Freaking zipper wrapped. And it's by Pharrell. It's not even like Dre's thing. This is by Pharrell. Pharrell, guys. This is by Pharrell. So, it's going to probably play Happy or something. Program it play. Because I'm hitting cases. Nice carrying case up too. It's like the thing. Yeah. And they're in here. They're in here. Ooh, my God. Damn, look. It's the freaking Solo Pros. Guys, right here. Right here. And they don't, like what the employee told me is that you can carry it. You have to like carry the charger with it or whatever. But the same charger that I use for this, I have to use for this. It doesn't come with its own charger or anything, just the headphones. Nothing else in the box, by the way, as well. And there they are. Guys, amazing Beats logo. Right here. Oh, shoot. I don't want to really... Oh, see, okay. I'll just... Active noise canceling, just like the Studio. Look at that. Look at that. Does it match the box or what? I'm gonna put them here. I think they're automatically connected too. To my phone or something. Look. Look at that. Does this not match? Of course it matches. Like, look at that. Alright, well that was the first item on our unboxing today. And I wanted to show you guys that this does not... Ooh, this does not click from the top or from the side like the Solos do. Oh, let's compare colors. So obviously darker. So obviously here, so for the, did I say Solos or Studios? Oh, yeah, Studios. The Studios, they go down from right there, from right there. But the new Solos here, however, they're so thin. Look at that, like, compared, like, look at that, how it fits, how the Solos fit in my hand compared to how the Beats Studios fit in my hand. Much bigger, much bigger. So, Studios are bigger, obviously. That's why I got them as my first Beats. Now, these are my second pair of Beats. These are my first Beats. These are my second Beats. Blue, blue, blue all the way. Let's compare colors. So, this is the Solo. The new Solo Pro. So, Solo 3, aka Solo 3. These are this is the Studio 3 right here. And let's just compare the color. Side by side. I don't want to like do anything here, but here we'll just there we go. Side by side. Oh yeah, Solos are much lighter than the Studios. The Studio, it's like black from here, but Studios are blue, navy blue. This is actually, this is regular blue. This is navy blue, right? So, in a way, yeah. Studio, or the new Solo Pros, they're over ear. This is on ear, or what, I don't know. This is, no, this is over ear. This is on ear, right? That's what it's. This is over ear, this is on ear. The comparison. Old zoom. And we'll put this with this. Look at that. And then, you know, for the new ones, we'll put this like so. Yep. Alright, those were the pizza boxes.